Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to this video learning machines. This is going to be one of the most powerful and impactful videos you guys have seen in a long time, okay? Because I'm going to give you step by step what to do to promote freaking mail enhancement offers, which convert really well with adult traffic. You can promote anything else, but we're just going to talk about this vertical because they pay out very high, okay? So in marketing, when the math works out, you win, okay? So basically, you put in $1, you make back 2 to 5x, 10x ROI, return on investment. Okay. That is the goal here. So what you do, I just wanted to show you first off Offer Vault, but I'll show you a specific offer that's crushing it right now that even I've promoted, okay, and had success with and kind of scaled up very big. And then I'm moving to another offer, which I'll tell you about that one too. Okay. But anyway, here we are with Offer Vault, and they have a lot of freaking offers here. Okay, I just typed in mail enhancement. You got a bunch of offers here. They pay out like $150 per offer, and that's per sale. Okay, and sometimes these are recurring. Okay, so they're going to pay you even more than what you get initial sale for. So the math really works out. Does that make sense? So it's really powerful, very effective. Let's show you this. So this is a Cell Health. Okay, I've made good money with Cell Health for the last few months, and basically your commission level 50 freaking percent. Okay, per sale, and you make up to $295. I've seen it's a little bit less than that on average, but that's how much you can make from some people who buy. Okay, they'll buy like a big package. Okay. What you want to do, you get advertising resources here. I won't click on it because you don't want to see some stuff there. But the thing is, like, you get good banners that convert and have been proven to convert. This offer works. Cell Health has a lot of great offers, okay? And the one I'm promoting right now, it's called Semenax. Very powerful offer. I'm making a lot of money with it, okay, right here. And it's growing every single day, okay? I've got my money in a lot of different angles lately. I mean, I invest in stuff like a madman. I'm investing in blah, okay? Crypto, investing in a bunch of different affiliate offers. I'm scaling to the moon, and then various secret strategies. And then I'm also putting some time into making some videos per day, okay, and growing that. I mean, it's ridiculous, okay? But adult advertising is cheapest in the world. You can make tons of money with it, guys. There's so much traffic out there, it's ridiculous. Let me show you this. ExoClick, right here. ExoClick is the biggest network other than Traffic Junkie, if not the biggest, okay? ExoClick has Xvideos, which is the biggest site in the world for adult, which is crazy. The daily clicks is 3 million people. They got tons of other sites, okay? Tons of other sites. But that's to show you can advertise here. And the traffic does convert. Same with freaking Traffic Factory. You can promote on Traffic Factory, and Traffic Factory is also 6 billion daily impressions, so you can get in front of tons of different banners, okay? You can have tons of different banner placements, ad spots, everything like that, and crush it with Traffic Factory. They got a lot of other sites too. They're the third biggest, okay? Now let's log into Traffic Junkie here. All right. Traffic Junkie, this is my test account, not test account, it's a demonstration account to show you guys stuff for this channel specifically, because I'm going to be showing a lot. I don't want to have to blur out a ton of stuff. So I will repeat that every time I use Traffic Junkie so people know that this is just a demonstration account, okay? Traffic Junkie, I advertise a lot with, though, okay? So they have some of the highest quality traffic sources. I mean, Xvideos is very high quality, so I advertise on that too, okay? ExoClick, okay, right here. And later, they're powerful. Then you've got freaking Traffic Junkie, bro. Traffic Junkie, you can advertise on sites like Pornhub and just massive sites, okay? There's tons. They have a very specific amount of sites they're advertising on. I don't believe it's over 10, that's for sure. And I don't know all the names, okay? Sorry. I mainly advertise on the main site, okay? But they just got freaking tons of sites you can advertise on. But the point is, it's so cheap. You're advertising stuff that converts. Okay, this converts and the math works out. So use ads. I'll tell you guys what ads to use for this. Basically, literally sign up for Cell Health and literally go to advertising resources here. Pick the banners that they have there and just use those. Okay, split test them, of course. So you basically load up your banners over here and add creatives. I definitely recommend do Traffic Junkie first for all this. So static banner, you upload them, they get approved. Then you make your campaign super duper quick, super easy. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But if you don't want a direct link, you guys can basically make a funnel. This is also a demonstration account. I mean, I got so many accounts. It's so crazy, okay? But here's the thing. This is ClickFunnels. If you don't know what that is, it's the best funnel builder out there you can leverage. Now, what I recommend is basically do a bridge funnel. Okay, let's see if we can find the bridge funnel. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. Boom, we select this funnel. We crush it, okay? So you could pick a template, doesn't really matter. I have the highest converting templates I give you guys inside the Done For You funnels. People are crushing it with that, by the way, because these funnels are meant to persuade and convert like at the highest level, okay? I like this one out of all the ones I see here. This one's very good. You could just do a blank one, but might as well just use a template that's given to you and then add on to it. That's what I always do. So you get your funnel. It's a bridge funnel, okay? We don't want to collect emails at all, especially with this method. And usually with adult marketing, you don't want to collect emails. Sometimes you do. I mean, I've done a lot of testing, okay? A lot of testing to see. But here's the thing. We don't want to do a squeeze page, so we just delete that right off the bat. Here's how you make a funnel, guys. It's really fun. This is my favorite software in the entire world. We go to edit page. Boom, baby. Okay. So right here, you want to get rid of this affiliate badge. You might as well. Okay. That's what I always do right off the bat. Then you can edit SEO metadata right off the bat too. So you want to kind of call it what the offer is. The offer is called VigRx Plus. Okay. VigRx Plus. Or whatever, okay? And you kind of just do that, okay? Just name it what it is, doesn't matter. You can go look at the landing page and start being congruent with the offer, okay? So this offer's color scheme is black, red, and white, okay? So you do black, red, and white as your whole entire site. You don't have to do the same freaking colors of the red, but you can just, for demonstration purposes, just do that sort of thing. Get rid of this image. That's just a logo. You could use their same logo. The point of the pre-sale page, though, which is so key for everyone to understand, is it needs to up the conversion rate. If it doesn't up the conversion rate, it's pointless. Okay, so it's worth testing, everything like that. So this right here would basically be an image of the pill. So you'd basically switch this out for the pill image, or whatever image you think would be best, and then you kind of just like do a name here, whoever's reviewing it, which is you. And as an affiliate marketer, you're meant to be a reviewer. You're meant to be a recommender. So if you make a VSL in a video, then perfect. But you can go to YouTube and look up reviews and use a video from YouTube. So let's show you that. VigRx Plus. Let's see if we can find. There it is. Okay, let's go to YouTube. VigRx Plus. Okay. So here we are on VigRx Plus. We can look up reviews. Okay, and we can use these as our pre-sale, okay? But these need to be good. And I hate it when someone considers other people not capable, because you guys are absolutely capable of making your own videos. Do you want more money? You're like, there's so much money out there, I can't do all this, okay? I wish I had more time to do so much more, but I'm giving you guys the methods I don't have time for, and even more powerful methods that I do have time for, and it's crazy, okay? So this right here, tons of freaking videos. And you want to go off of what it has the highest rating, obviously. So these ones have the highest rating video. These are highest rating videos. People liked them or whatever. This one has no views. Don't do that. This one has no views. No views. You want to have something that has a decent amount of views. And you can sort by view count if you want. Okay, this one got the highest view count. This is a dude just like you if you were to make it. And he got the most videos. Mail extra results after 3 months. I don't know if this is the offer though. Okay. About the offer, but it's fine. This one's definitely comparing a bunch of offers. You can link to a bunch of different offers. This one right here for sure. This one right here is another language. Okay, I would probably run with this one. Depends how it looks. And the longer a video is, the better it can actually sell. So this one could be really good right here. Okay, so that's just some knowledge right there that's really, really powerful. Okay, so here we are. You set up your campaign. Here's how you set it up. Boom. And then we'll go back to the funnel and show you the funnel in a minute. Okay. So you name it whatever you want. You name it that. Okay. Now you do desktop traffic because desktop traffic buys, but also mobile does buy too. But when you do mobile, you want to make sure that the phone's a good phone, like a freaking iPhone or a nicer Android phone. Okay. Then you want to do this dimension or any other dimension that you have available that you've made an ad for. You could do either one of these traffics. I'm sure they both convert. I stay away from this one personally. I don't like it. That's just me. And you can do whatever you want. Okay, so here's the thing. United States. United States. You add that. You definitely want to do United States. I mean, you could do other countries, blah blah blah, but whatever. Definitely want to do male here. It's cool that you can target male and female. Okay. It's very cool that you actually have that ability. Now you save and continue. I don't do anything other than that right there. Okay, it's super simple. You set it up easy. Now you get your affiliate link. So here we are. Copy the affiliate link. Okay, here we are. Boom. All right, now you select creatives. My nose is so itchy after that. Okay, let's go right here. Save and continue. Woo, yeah. Okay, so based off the payout, this is how I decide my budgets. Okay, $295 per conversion on average that you can make. This is why the math works out. This is why it works, guys. So you set your budget at $295. Why not? Okay, $295 per day. Set your bid, whatever you want. You can even do higher. Okay, so you can be competitively bidding. Then you confirm the campaign. You're ready to go. I mean, this account's just a demonstration, so I'm not gonna freaking launch it. I could, okay, and it would make money, and I would obviously need to have the banners uploaded and everything like that. But anyway, let's talk about the pre-sale lander, okay? Just so you know, direct linking can work a lot, especially if the offer sales page is great. See, this is optimized to the T. This sales page is optimized to the T. Where is it? Right here. This is optimized. I've even talked with them. They basically do everything they can to make sure an offer is converting at the best it can. Okay, so direct link if you want. You can absolutely just run to pre-sale page first. So you want to put your link right here. Here it is. I've tested a lot of call to actions in my day, and learn more works good, or just buy. You'll see on the biggest sites in the world, they just have the word buy, not buy now, anything like that. They just say buy. Okay, you do want to have a sense of urgency when you're doing paid marketing, okay, selling stuff, because you want people to act now. If they put it off, they'll put it off for a long time. You need to have a sense of urgency in people. That's super key. Now you want to list the benefits here. You get most of your content from the page. Now, also what I do some story selling. I do some testimonials. Okay, real or fake testimonials, doesn't matter for this scenario. You will find a lot of great testimonials, though, if you just search for it for the offer. You just search in Google, or you go straight to the offer owner, and you can crush it, okay? And here we are. You just, for this, you kind of want to say what it is. So it's kind of like a pill, okay? And then you can explain it more than that. The headline right here, you can literally give the biggest benefit, okay, or benefits. You want to treat sales like a serious process, because trading money for a thing is actually serious. It's not meant to be funny. It's not meant to be a goof. This is serious stuff. This is stuff that can help people. And when it comes down to money, it needs to be serious and emotional. So the story sells in multiple different ways inside the brain, okay? So you want your story to basically sell to the person. How do you make a story? You have a character, they've got a problem, and this is the perfect way to make a story, by the way, with this offer. But anyway, the person has a problem, and they need it solved, and they find a solution to it, and that's the offer. That's how I like to form my stories for any offer I ever promote. Now, this is good right here. This basically is letting you know, put some urgency here, put some scarcity here, okay, guys? Regarding the colors, once again, let's make it a little more congruent. Okay, boom, red. Okay, make the buttons red. By the way, red buttons convert the best, by the way, which is kind of convenient for this offer. It's weird. It's just a psychological thing. I believe it means just stop in general. Stop what you're doing. Pay attention. Okay. So we save it. And then the next steps, if you do a pre-sale lander, you do want to split test this. You can always direct link, and you can make a good ROI, especially with this, because, by the way, I did a lot of direct linking, but I ended up finding a lander that worked really well for this. Okay. Now you go to settings, and then you basically add a domain name, very simply. Okay. You can name your funnel whatever you want. And then you add a domain name here, but first you have to go to your whole account settings and then do a domain there. Then for the path, you do whatever you want there. That's that right there. Okay, now you just save it. Okay, here we are, steps back. And then you also want to do a path right here. You change the path, whatever you want, boom. Okay, BDB. And you also want to have the path changed right here, okay? BDB is what I typed. All right, sick. This has the power of making you guys a lot of money, guys. I'm serious. Okay, so the strategy is go sign up on Sell Health. Go promote this offer. Get your exact link, just direct link, and start testing with that. Do Traffic Junkie. Advertise on just the sites. Do one banner placement and split test a few banners. Whatever gets the highest click-through rate of banners, then go with that. Okay. this offer pays out a really high amount, so you're able to crush it. Now, make sure your banners explain and say what the heck is in the offer. What are they getting? Because if your banner is just invoking a bunch of curiosity, then they don't know what's in it for them. They don't know what they're clicking over to. You want them to know what they're clicking for, because then you're going to get the people who actually are interested in buying. Most people make that mistake, so I have to tell that and explain that, okay? Now, if you want to scale even more, you can go promote these offers. Don't build an email list unless you want. If you want to do a tripwire funnel before the offer and break even, then you could do that too. Okay, but you will want more money for testing. You will want to make sure your offer is great. Okay, you guys can crush it. Okay, thank you, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in more videos, and 100% go check out below the other, all the other values I can give you. Okay, tons more value, more in-depth training, more methods that can actually like crush it for you too. And thank you so much for watching Learn Machines. I'll see you guys later. Peace flipping out.